The 4K restoration of the film Gahanu Lamai, directed by late Sumitra Peiris, was screened yesterday at the 78th Cannes Film Festival in France. Originally released in 1978, Gahanu Lamai is based on the novel by award-winning author Karunasena Jayalatne. It also marked the directorial debut of Sumitra Peiris, Sri Lanka's first professional female filmmaker. The film received international acclaim, winning Best Film of the Year at the London Film Festival in 1978. Representing Sri Lanka at this year's Cannes Festival are lead actors Vasanthi Chaturani, Ajit Jinadasa and Shyama Ananda, alongside the chairman of the National Film Corporation, Sudat Mahadiulvava. Now decades later, Gahanu Lamai has once again etched Sri Lanka's name in gold on the global cinematic map, carrying forward the legacy and brilliance of our past into the future.